Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, and now I am showing you my latest video, which is the water level indicator using my breadboard. It will allow us to determine and warn us if the water level is on the critical stage already. I'm gonna pour this water on this container until it reaches the wire as our first indicator. And now we will add water on this container again until it reaches the final wire. And it works really great, guys. So for more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Again, thank you so much.